Hey you guys, I know you guys can't see me, but it's Eboni Chauntae. I am back with another video. As you can see, my little setup here, I have my brush. This is going to be me cleaning some of my brushes, showing you guys what I use and how I clean my makeup brushes. So here is all of the brushes that I have in this clear container. Of course, I'm not going to clean them all on camera. I'm going to just show you guys how I clean small, medium, and big brushes. I have my purple cleansing pad here in the sink. That's how I use it. That's how I assume you use it. And then I have a clear glass to put the mixture of water and cleansing gel in. I have a blue pad right here, as you can see, to dab in to make sure that it's clean enough. And then I'm using the Real Techniques brush cleansing gel, and it's just clear, has a pink top. Start doing the mixture first, and then so I use hot water. And as you can see, I am thick. So I'm gonna just use that much for right now. And then I'm gonna put in some hot water, and I'm actually gonna let the water run. So the brushes that I'll be cleaning for you guys, I think I have a good enough amount here. I'll just keep going as it goes, but I'll be showing you guys how to clean these brushes: small, medium, large, extra small, and then a face brush. So that one there, I'm gonna take this dirty face brush. Try not to get it splashed everywhere. Taking this brush now. Look at that. I'm gonna take this brush now with a little pink on it, get it into the mixture, and give it a good clean. Set it up here. Oh, as you can see. Alright you guys, I'm gonna finish up these brushes and I'll be right back to show you my end results. Alright you guys, I'm finally done all of the brushes. I cleaned my brush cleaner thing that I sit in this little jar. Yes, this needs to be clean because you don't want to keep using it and using it. It builds up dirt and debris. I did clean my beauty blender as best as I could. This is a cheap beauty blender, so you know it's not going to get as clean, but I got majority of the dirt out. I want to sanitize that in hot water, by the way. And then these are just the brushes, you guys. Let me know what brush cleaner you guys use, or which brush cleaner you guys prefer. Real Techniques is okay, but I feel as though there's a better one out, but it did the job for today. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.